All right, mates, welcome back to the channel. Hope everyone's doing well this Friday morning. We're talking altcoins. We're talking about going into Friday setup. We're looking at a whole bunch of different things that we got going down. Did a video on Ethereum, XRP. We're now talking about Polygon, MATIC. Trades up over 100% at 10x. Just 10x, mates. In this market of volatility, you don't need to go higher than 10x. You certainly can, but that's a lot more riskier in this volatile market, right? And so 7829. And the reason for that was right here. You can kind of see that initial cross right there. You see how we're at the 7-day at that point? We'll move off where we're at now. 86 is your 7-day. 21 is 84. 30-day is 82. Okay, we're up 5% today for just regular trading. Spot trading is up 5.19% right now at trading at 0.89. So at 89, from 78 to 89, that's 123% at 10x. Pretty easy trade just using the method, okay? And it's been, you have your opportunity. I know mates sold out up here, took gains at 84 cents because this candle came in and we fell back down. But if you look at right here, we had the wicks that came right back to that trend line. And then we bounced off that trend line and we've stayed above the lower trend lines, okay? And so we've been staying with that 7-day and above that 7-day. Now, question ultimately becomes, Jay, when now do I sell, right? That's like the ultimate thing. I got in the trade. I'm up. I'm watching it. I'm up 100%. Take whatever is your comfort, okay, if you're doing on leverage, especially in this market. Don't wait for those moonshots, okay? Pick a target of what you want to get out of your trade. That's the simplest way to stay up, okay, and to be disciplined like that. For me, one of the tactics that I like to tell and I teach to people is wait for the behavior to change. The behavior has been green for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay? 7 times 4. 28 hours. So for an entire day, MATIC's been trading to the good. So let that behavior keep going until it doesn't, right? And so what I tell people is if I see a 1-hour stick, I flip to the 1-hour chart and the 1-hour stick turns red, inevitably leads to a greater potential of the 4-hour stick being red. So that's why I exit there on that first red 1-hour stick. You can exit on a 15-minute stick, 30-minute stick, whatever you want. I prefer to use the 1 hour when I look to exit. Looking at the behavior, looking at the volume, looking at the momentum. Right now we've got bullish momentum in MATIC, okay? But we're reaching some levels here where it's bound to reverse and sell down. You've got a rising RSI level. You also have a resistance level coming up. Remember, MATIC has sold down very substantially, okay, over the last 2 to 3 months. So it has some overhanging resistance from its midsummer trading, okay, that's going to come into play. So you can trade up to that, okay, or wait for a 1-hour stick. Or create your own strategies. I trade with a lot of mates who simply they're already out of the trade because they're simply, I want 30%. I want a 50% trade. And whenever those trades get to 30% or 50%, they're out. They're out the door. They're taking the exchange's money. They're taking the profit and they're putting it in another trade. And they just rinse and repeat. And you have to be disciplined about that. You're not going to make, okay, your financial stability and financial wealth in crypto off of one trade. I don't care what anybody tells you. Okay, people that try to do that end up getting hurt because they wait and they wait and they wait in their trade and then boom, okay, they get shaken out because they were just waiting and waiting. Unless you're sitting at that screen trading all day long, you may have work, you may have the kids, you may have class, you may have whatever. You go away, if you're not constantly looking at your phone, you can come back and you'd be like, well, I was up 150% and now I'm up 10%. Because that's how fast it can happen when you're talking about altcoins that are priced below $1. So it's good to have a disciplined approach to your trading that you're going to exit at a certain level as a percent.